Now, let's open our nightlight scene and nightlight area light disk and my space, okay? And there it is. So I have this little lamp here. It's just a cylinder, nothing fancy. And this is an area light, okay? I'm going to go into the attributes. And right now it looks like a disc. Originally, here in light shape, you would have it as a quad. Okay, but I put it as a disc because I want this. Sorry, that's a cylinder. And then it's just pointing down, and it works a lot like a spotlight. So let's just render, not this, but there. That's the light of my disc light. Okay, so how do I make this not go in every direction? Well, first of all, it's inside the cylinder, so I'm already constraining this. But I can have the spread. So that's really, really focused, okay? So the more focused, the most intense. That's really spread. So this is a lot less intense, but a lot more spread. And this is more like the spotlights that you know. And the calculations here with this spotlight that you created with your area lights are much better than using the spotlight from Maya. So when you want to do a spotlight to have this focused, more detailed light, then you should use the light shape and the spread value, okay? Now, in this light, I already had the exposure to 15, okay? Let's increase it to 17. Then I have a brighter light, okay? But this is a little bit burned, actually. And what if I want this light to bounce around? Then I just increase my, I'm going to increase it to 3. And this is looking more like something you would have at home. I mean, keep in mind that this is just one light source. And usually in your living rooms, depending on how big they are, you're going to have 2 lamps. And if I want more light, maybe I can put just an intensity of 1.5. So I just changed a little bit the intensity and I put 5 values. Let's put 5. And I have enough light for my room, okay? Now by fixing the samples, then I get enough light. And the difference here is that already takes a lot less to calculate and it is a lot less noisy than with the other lights, okay? Just because it's an area light, all right? So this is the first one. I want to have this focus light for an interior value, and I do it with my area light and playing a little bit with the intensity of the exposure and using my indirect values, okay?